I'm Andre with JJM Mechanical Group. I'm the Director of Sales here. We are a plumbing, gas, and HVAC contractor in the Lower Mainland. We work with Zeemac to make sure that we have new vehicles and they're maintained properly for both our technician safety and our customers. We definitely seen an improvement in safety by using Geotab.
Currently, we have 8 vehicles and they're all equipped with Geotab. I do believe Geotab has helped our drivers be more safe on the road because they know that there's a tracking device in their vehicle.
Seatbelt use has increased, speed has been reduced because of course we're monitoring that. Transparency is the biggest thing that we have, and that's sort of integrity that we want to provide to our customers. On an average day, we'll have clients actually call in before their appointments or around the time that their appointments due, and just to find out where the technician is, the status of when they're going to arrive. My team, myself included, are able to pull up Geotab, see the GPS in live time, and then provide the customer with that information right on the phone.
We had an instance where our vehicle was stolen, unfortunately, and thank goodness for the Geotab software system. We were alerted almost immediately to let us know that the van was not in the place where it should be. That definitely helps us to get to the vehicle much quicker than if it would been 48 hours down the road. The relationship between Zeemac and ourselves at JJM Mechanical Group is great. We love working with them, especially because they know our downtime with our vehicles is very important. And we do appreciate that they take care of us very quickly. So Geotab does help us to track the maintenance, and that way we can take care of the vehicle before it becomes a much more critical issue with the downtime if we didn't have the van.